Steel Dynamics is a top U.S. steel producer and metal recycler. But can it navigate the industry's cyclical nature while expanding into aluminum? Steel Dynamics is a leading U.S. steel producer and metal recycler with a vertically integrated model. It is a leader in electric arc furnace steelmaking and operates across 4 segments: steel operations, metals recycling under OmniSource, steel fabrication through NMB systems, and aluminum operations. The company ended 2024 with approximately $2.2 billion in liquidity. Steel operations is the largest segment, accounting for about 69% of 2024 net sales, and includes new coating lines at the Sinton and Heartland facilities. Metals recycling through OmniSource supplies scrap to internal mills and is expanding in Mexico for industrial scrap. Steel fabrication under NMB systems has a backlog extending into the first half of 2025. Aluminum operations are ramping up a recycled flat-rolled aluminum facility, targeting around 650,000 tons of capacity by mid-2025. About 70% of Steel Dynamics' product mix is value-added, commanding higher margins. Its vertical integration, with internal pull-through from recycling and fabrication units, supports high utilization rates at its steel mills. The company also mitigates energy price risk through fixed-price power contracts. A new biocarbon facility in Mississippi, starting in the first half of 2025, could reduce Scope 1 emissions at its steel mills by up to 35%. The major push into recycled aluminum diversifies the company's portfolio away from being a pure-play steel producer. Steel Dynamics benefits from operational efficiency, EAF leadership, and vertical integration, which provide a cost advantage. The strong fabrication backlog offers near-term revenue visibility. OmniSource provides a reliable, internal source of scrap metal, buffering against some price volatility. However, the company is highly susceptible to macroeconomic downturns. It faces pressure from steel imports and volatile scrap prices. Successful execution of the new aluminum operations is critical. There is also potential for cyber attacks and costs from environmental regulations. No specific AI integration has been disclosed. Steel Dynamics presents a compelling case of an efficient, vertically integrated operator expanding into new markets. The company's strengths in EAF production and internal scrap supply are significant advantages. However, investors must weigh these against the inherent cyclicality of the steel industry and the execution risks tied to its major aluminum expansion. The next few years will be pivotal in proving its diversification strategy.